Trying to find a play tent that works for bigger kids? This Eaglestone play tent might be exactly what you're looking for. I have 6 kids, ranging in age from 4 to 20, so I've bought many children's tents over the past few decades. They usually don't last long. We've seen nylon rip, poles snap, and tents be too small for kids on day one. This Eaglestone play tent is different. First off, the materials are quality. With thick poles and nice fabric, this doesn't seem like a tent that will be easily destroyed. Setting it up was easier than I thought. The instructions are clear, and it took me under 15 minutes to pop up this 51 by 39 by 53 playhouse. The poles snap into place, and the fabric slides over the top and is secured with ties. Now here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just a toddler tent. It's huge. It could easily fit 6 4 to 8-year-olds, or even an adult and a few kids. The padded mat is a really nice touch. It adds a little cushion, and the included lights, pure magic during evening play sessions. There are just a couple little downsides. The first is that the fabric doesn't quite stretch to the bottom, so there are a few little gaps, but this doesn't bother me a whole lot. And the second is that it's a little bit wrinkly. You could totally iron it, but I'm not really that kind of mom, so we'll just let it be wrinkly. The true magic of this tent lies in its ability to grow with your child. It's big enough for all ages, and it's a blank canvas for all kinds of play. Want one? I'll drop a link in the description. And tell me, what are your favorite toys for imaginative play?